There's something in here. Come on. Be the money. I think there's something in there. We got some more J's on our feet. Oh, yes. The 12. Come on. Ooh. Oh, another pair of these. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pairs. And if you don't know, now you know. All right, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages. We are here. We are at another auction. Where are we at? We're at Public Storage. And we are about to view units. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties today. First one has 5. Hopefully there's at least one good unit. I'd like to buy something. Anyway, don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, say something pretty, and most important, have all notifications set to all. Anyway, let's get auctioning. First facility was not very good. A total turd bucket. That one usually has at least one good unit, but not today. So far lately, Public Storage has had a lot of not good units lately. So we're at the second stop. Here we are, Public Storage. Again, that's where we are today, is Public Storage. Let's see if they have something here. If not, there's still 3 facilities. The last one of the day is usually my favorite.
50, thank you. 100, Brian. 120, 125, Lewis. 150, Brian. 175, Lewis. 200, Christy. 205, Lewis. 225, Christy. 230, Lewis. 260, Christy. Gotcha. 270, Lewis. 280, Christy. Gotcha.
300, Mike.
310, Brian. Gotcha. 320, Christy. Gotcha. What's in the shoes?
400, Mike.
Gotcha. LeBron. Looking for 425. Last call, looking for 425. Sold the mic for 400.
All right, well, we got a unit. Gotta maybe take a peek. Paid $400. I don't know. I had a suitcase. I saw 4 suitcases, shoe boxes, and 1 jacket. It looked like a Hilfiger jacket. It looked brand new with the tag. I don't know, but I had to have it. I wanted to need something to do today. 400 bucks. We'll take a look. All right, auctions are done, and now we're back here waiting for the manager to come take the lock off. Public Storage this is the way they do it now, so we have to wait for them to come up, get the lock off, etc. So it used to be you stand in line, but now we wait. Everything's on the phone, but I'm waiting patiently. Let's see what's in this $400 storage. All right, let's see. The one reason I even went 400 on this is A, you see the shoe boxes. Who doesn't like shoe boxes? Potential of shoes. And I saw this jacket. I couldn't tell what it was, but it was new with the tags. 84 bucks. That's not bad. I don't know. It's a kid's jacket. Arizona. Oh, look at all those hats. That's a good sign. Let's see what else we got. Let's see. Well, obviously the shoes. That's what people were bidding on. Is there something in here? Come on. Be the money. Nice. Nice. Those are those Iversons, I think, right? That's good money right there. I thought that was a suitcase. I thought it was suitcase, so I went on those. This doesn't feel that heavy, but I think there's something in there. Those are nice. I don't know. I was hoping they were Jordans, but those are money right there. I'm gonna speculate a minimum of 100 bucks just on that pair right there. Looks like shoes. I mean clothes. We got a lot of clothes. Is it good clothes? Let's see what we got here. Sean John. That's money right there. Sean John, size medium. I had a feeling this was going to be all good clothes. That's what my gut said. What do we have here? Nice little tablet, iPad. We'll see about that. Take that home with me. The brands are good. American Rags. Some jeans, 31s, 32. Levi's, 31, 32. So they were small. Not bad. A lot of cologne. Let's keep going. Let's see what else we got. Carhartt. Look at all these hats though. That's money right there. We got some more J's on our feet. Those will be good money. Then the hats. There's a little bit of money in hats here. Probably put these on a lot on the YouTube auction, I'm guessing. That one's a keeper almost. Warriors and Bulls. I like it. Packers. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. I like the hat, so that'll be good money right there on the hats. Oh, come on. We got two more hats here. We got the Heat. We got the Eagles. Oh, yes. The 12. Come on. Oh, I don't know if this guy was a kid or if it was what, but they had some nice shoes because they are small. They're definitely smaller. Wow. That is a good little score there. Those are another $100 right there. LeBron James. I don't know nothing about him, but we're going to find out by the end of the day. Shoes. We got clothes here. Clothes. Hollister. That's a nice... I can see Michaela's going to end up with that. Sweater. Okay. On to the next. Dyson vacuum part. Ooh. Oh, we got money. I'm loving that. Nice little fishing lures there. Everybody's always asking me for fishing lures these days. Clothes. Well, I'm not going to bore you guys just going through clothes. We've been doing that a lot lately. But we do have some cool clothes. That's for sure. We're here to just assess the money. What's in here? Empty toolbox, right? Yeah. But another pair of these. Another pair of these. Oh, these ones are a little more dirtier. Must have been the work shoes. Not bad. Work clothes, work related. All right. Clothes, shoelaces. Okay. And we'll come back around. That's kind of cool. Steph Curry. No, Durant. Michael might like that one. Warriors. A lot of clothes in here. A lot of good, cool clothes. Smaller people. Probably won't fit me on any of it. Granted, I have lost 8 pounds. Come on. Nice. Jordans. Jumpman. That's funny because when I say that, people tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. That's a good pair. We got toys. Ooh, come on, be the bag of gold. I would have never thought I'd see another one of these. I just found the whole unit full of them, and then here we are again. We just found another one. Fishing pole. Fishing pole. Shimano. We don't need that because we got plenty. Ninja Turtle. Oh boy. Looks like a bunch more clothes, kid stuff, clothes. Okay, tools. Okay, then we got shoes. Let's get down here and let's see what we got. Oh yeah, 1 pair, 2 pair. Ooh, look at those. These are wild. They're a little bit smaller than you want to find, but still good. Okay. Tools. Got them palladiums. There's the missing shoe. The bears. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Nike Air Force Ones, size 7.5 in US. Oh, those are clean. Nike, I don't know how old they are, but those look like the older versions. Those are a very obscure mismatch there. Okay, come on, be some money in here. No. Okay. Put those back. Ooh, we're losing things. Got them Fat Farms. Nope. All right, some more. Those are clean right there. Easy money. This goes empty. Nope. All right. Another good pair. And lastest but not least, another pair of Nikes. All right. I call that a victory. Not bad though, because you think right there, I know guarantee there's probably close to $1,000 right there just in the shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pairs. Piggy bank. This right here is real trivial. I mean, there's still, we got some money in the hats, money in the clothes, brand new jacket. Those were junk, but the boxes actually have some value. But all in all, I'd say that was a good storage. All right, now here's the task. Can we carry this stack to the truck so we can go home and not drop any of them? Because we're gonna go ahead and sell some of these today. More shoe trip downstairs, and we will call this a wrap for the day. We will go home and get ready for a live auction and assess what it is these are.